Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Neha ST, currently pursuing BE in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from the Department of Basic Science, section BMW USN 1VE23CS115, second semester, subject Computer Aided Engineering Drawing, subject code BECDK203.
Let's understand what is CAD, that is Computer Aided Engineering Drawing, which is a powerful tool that has revolutionized the way engineers design and create products. It allows for precise digital modeling and visualization of complex designs, streamlining the engineering process. As the topic suggests about points, let us know them now. The first position or the position of a point in engineering drawing is defined with respect to its distance from the three principal planes, that is, with respect to VP, HP, and PP. VP means the plane in front of observer is vertical plane, and HP means the plane which is horizontal and perpendicular to VP is horizontal plane. For better understanding, let us know the quadrant system with the help of paint. So this is our first quadrant, the second quadrant. This is our third quadrant, and this is our fourth quadrant. To know VP and HP, let us text here. So this is a horizontal line. This will be HP, and the vertical line here will be VP. So let us now understand the question here. So the question here is a point G is 25 mm below HP and is situated in third quadrant. So let's know here. I'm selecting point. Point is in third quadrant. So this is capital G. This is capital G. So point is 25 mm below HP. So this point is 25 mm below HP. So let us mention it here. This is 25 mm. Now, if you observe from this side, this will be our front view, that is G dash. And if you observe from this point, that is towards top, somewhere here will be our top viewpoint. So, but the distance from VP is not given here, that we need to find. So, this will be our G dash. Let us name here this one. This will be our G dash. Now, to find the distance with respect to VP, we gonna use the software called Solid Edge. Here, I'm going to line. To draw XY line, we are choosing 0.35 mm thickness and drawing a line. So first, name this line. I'm going to text, naming this as X and Y. Then again, go to line, select 0.50 mm thickness and mm as 25 mm, degree as minus 90 degree. Place it here. Then again, go to point, select 0.2 mm and place it somewhere here. Then name this point as G dash, since it is a front view. G dash. Then by using smart dimension, measure this distance, that is 25. So they're telling the shortest distance from the intersection of XY and X dash Y dash line. So first we need to draw the x dash y dash line. Go to line, select 0.13 mm thickness, draw a x dash y dash line, then name this line as x dash and y dash. Then go to again line, make sure it is 0.13 mm thickness. From this line, draw a 45-degree line. Then they're mentioning that the shortest distance from xy line and x dash y dash line is 45 mm. That means the shortest distance must be somewhere here between these two lines. So for that, go to arc by center point, make sure the line is 0.13 mm thickness, then radius as 45 mm. From this line, cut an arc. Then again, we need to join these lines. So select 0.13 mm thickness. From this point, join here. Then again join the lines here. This intersection line. From here to section line. Then again draw these lines from here to B. The line is not touched here properly. So again what to do? Go to again undo here, undo, then again go to line from this point to straight line. Then you can trim these unwanted lines by using trim option. And trim this line. So now you need to join the line to find the distance with respect to VP. To join, here you're using 0.50 mm thickness because this is the top view line. So this will be our top view. Name this line text, name this line as G. So now go to angle between, measure these two lines. So we need to click the XY line and this line. This is 45. So again, to measure the top view distance with respect to VP, this is 36.68. And at the last, VP. So now go to either option to mark the arrows. And then go to line, select point, 2 mm thickness, place it over here. So this is the end of our problem. And then find the distance from EP, the distance from VP, that is the distance from VP of the top view is 36.68. So next, coming to the next topic, that is planes. A plane is a two-dimensional object having length and breadth only. Its thickness is always neglected. Various shapes of plane figures are considered such as square, rectangle, circle, pentagon, hexagon, etc. So there are different types of planes. There are square, rectangle, triangle, circle, pentagon. Many of them are there. So I am taking a problem which is a pentagon. So a pentagon lamina of edges 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its sides such that the surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. The edge on which it rests is inclined at 45 degree to VP. Draw the projections of the lamina. So for this, go to line, select 0.35 mm thickness to draw XY line. So draw a straight line, name this line, go to text, X, Y. So first we need to draw a pentagon. Go to line. Again select 0.13 mm thickness. Select 0.50 mm thickness because this is the top view here, which is resting on HP. That's why select 25 mm thickness and place it over here. Then enter as 0 degree. Then again select 25 mm, enter, then 72 degree. Then mm thickness, 72 into 2, enter. Then 25 mm, then again 72 star 3, enter. Then 25 mm, then 72 star 4. We know that the inside angle of pentagon is 108 degree. Why we use 72 degrees? Because 108 minus 180 degree will be 72 degree. For drawing, in computer drawing, we use 72 degrees. So first, this is resting on HP. So like this whole lamina, go to move option and place it somewhere here. So first we need to write here, this is our HP line and this is our VP line. Now the edge is resting on HP. So select this whole lamina, rotate, place this here. So as you can see, this is not exactly correct. So again, select this whole triangle, rotate, select this point and then this point, rotate properly. So this is the exact pentagon. So let us name this now. Go to text. This will be our A, this will be B, this will be C, this is E, and then the 5 sides. So go to line, select 0.13 mm thickness, then extend this line to the XY line. Again extend this line from here to here. Here. Then again from this line to this line, if you want to connect, then go to 0.50 mm thickness, then stop here. Okay, so go to text to mention the lines. Here if you observe from top, B is visible but A is not visible. So B dash and A dash. That's why we are writing A in brackets. Then here this line, C dash, E dash. Then this line will be our D dash. Then the next case is the edge, that is surface, makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. They are given with HP, but the projection line should be in the opposite way. So that is, this line should be inclined to 60 degree with respect to VP. The projection line should be in the opposite of data. So select this whole line, select this whole thing and press Control. So, Control. The whole line will be selected. Go to move option. Make sure it is copied here. Option, make sure it is copied. So select this line, keep somewhere here. So then again you need to rotate this line to 60 degree with HP, means we need to rotate with respect to VP. So again select this line, this whole entire thing, this whole entire thing you select, then go to move option. No, go to rotate option from this point to this point to give the position rotation angle here as 60 degree. Enter. Now extend the lines, select 0.13 mm thickness. Extend these lines. Then you can trim this option. So this line. So using trim option. So trim this line. You want to remove that E. Go to select option. Then cut. So now extend these lines horizontally also. So it is, make sure you have 0.13 mm thickness. Then go to here. Point 2. Where is this? This is E point. Then again, this is B. Point 2 here. Then again, B point. Here is our B point. Here. Then C point 2. Here C point. Then now select 0.50 mm thickness. Join these lines from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here, and then here to here. Then now name these. This is our A. This is B and E. Now the next condition is the edge on which is rest is inclined at 45 degree to VP. That means AB is the edge. This is inclined to 45 degree to VP. That means we need to keep it with respect to HP, opposite to the data. So let us draw a 45 degree line from here. So the angle should be minus 45 because it is below HP. Minus 45. Enter. Keep it somewhere here. See, make sure you have 0.13 mm thickness. So select this line and then the line 13 mm thickness. So now measure the angle. Good angle between the two. Here you can measure as 45. So now this edge, this AB edge, we need to place it here, inclined to 45 degree. So for that, select the whole lamina, this whole lamina. Go to move option. Make sure it is copied. Then from this, place it here. Then again, go to rotate option. Rotate from this point to this point. You can rotate like this. Okay. Then again, go to line. Make sure you have 0.13 mm thickness. Then the line is inclined here. So then somewhere here itself. Then the line somewhere here. Then D line. Then extend even these lines C to here. Then again, so B to here. Now go to trim option. Trim these two lines. Then again go to line, select 0.50 mm thickness from A to B to C, then C to D, E. Here. So this will be our points. Let us name them. This is C dash. This is B dash point. Reader option. Here to here, here to here, and then this is gonna be up. So from here to here, here to here, this will be downwards. So from here to here, and then here to here. This will be upwards. So from here to here. So again we forgot this point to measure. So that is measure these 2 points. 60 degree. So this is the end of the program, problem. So I hope you guys like this presentation. Thank you.